Hey everyone, it's me, Heather, and today I'm going to reveal my first fix. I don't know about you, but I have always been super curious about those subscriptions that give you they deliver clothes right to your door, and one of them is called Stitch Fix, and it is for the bigger girls out there, which I am totally one of. And so you can see here is the box that it comes in. And I got it really fast. Alright. It's got some notes on the inside. Thanks for letting us style you. And then on this side, it's what to do next. So it says to discover and decide, try on all 5 items that your personal stylist selected for you, pair them with favorites from your closet, and use the enclosed style cards for outfit inspiration. Decide what you love and what you want to send back. Then you share your thoughts and send back whatever it is you don't want to keep. All right, I'm really excited to see what's in here. Alright, so it looks like first I have this little envelope. Your stylist thought these would look great on you. So we've got one card here. It says, oh, hello. Looks like it's got some outfit suggestions. It's like a little welcome card. It says, take a peek, pieces from your stylist, outfit inspiration, and personalized style advice. So it's more like a little, hey, welcome to the company. We hope you like what we've picked out, and this is what your stylist thinks would look best on you. And I have to say, there are some really cute things on this. And the next thing we have in here is a thanks for letting us style you. Oh, okay. So here's the receipt, and I will share more about that once we actually see all the items. So that piece of paper tells us exactly what the items in here cost in case we decide we want to keep any of them. All right, so here is a random bag, maybe a filler. All right, so the first thing we have here is a necklace. It's called Kate Stone and Paved Disc Layering Necklace. Alright, so this is how it came shipped. That's not so bad. Things like this happen all the time. See if we can't get it untangled. I don't know. Okay, so it's one big necklace that you can do that with. Let's give you a better look. Very, very pretty. Totally me. This is definitely something I would purchase for myself. Alright, now the big reveal. And it also comes with a package to send all your stuff back, so you never have to pay for the shipping. All right, let's move the box out of the way. All right, here we go. So you can see it all comes very nicely packaged, folded very neatly. We're going to look at this thing first because it fell out when I was jumbling the box. Okay. So this looks like a dress. Oh, okay, that's an armhole. That's why I'm getting confused. Okay, so this is one of the items they sent me. It's a dress. It's kind of like a heather gray or a darker gray and white striped floor length dress. Here's a better look at the fabric. It's got the kind of peasant top. Not so sure if I would actually pick something like this out for myself, but the material is really, really soft, so I can only imagine how comfortable this would be to wear. The next thing is a pink and white. So here's a look at the fabric. And I'm gonna guess this is a shirt. Yep. All right, now this I would definitely choose for myself. Again, oh, it is so soft. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. And it's a loose fit, which means, oh, it's even got the little armhole. Oh, cute. My shoulder would be exposed in this. Okay. Yeah, I would definitely buy that for myself. All right, next we have a crochet knit top. And frankly, this looks like it would be way too big for me. But it's really pretty. And yeah, I would get this for myself. All right, so here's a better look at the fabric. Really pretty. The colors just pop. This one isn't as soft as the last one, but I still really like it. All right, and last but not least, they sent me some boot cut jeans in the dark color. And they look amazing. This is a style and a color shade of jean that I would pick for myself. Definitely. It's a little stretchy, so that's always a perk. But there you go. Okay. Now for the big reveal. It looks like the boot cut jeans are valued at $68. I have never spent that much money on a pair of jeans in my life. The cute pinkish fuchsia crochet knit top is $28. That's a really good price for a shirt, especially one that looks that pretty. All right, here is the pink and white striped top. That is, what's this called? Okay, this is the one that's valued at $28. This one, the crochet top, that is $34. And then we have the off-the-shoulder knit maxi dress, and that is valued at $58. And then the really pretty necklace they sent with is $34. So all in all, it comes to $222. But if I buy all of them, I get a 25% discount, which drops it down to $166.50. So a lot of this is too rich for my blood, paycheck to paycheck and everything. But I could see every so often me being able to keep one or two of the items. And to get the box sent to you, it's a $20 styling fee. And then you have all of that. And it's spelled out real nice and neat for you. So unfortunately, I don't believe I'm going to be able to keep any of this, but they did send me a pouch to send it all back in, and it's the real nice sealed thing. It's already labeled, so all I have to do is put the items back in the bag and put it out by my mailbox tomorrow. Anyways, if you were ever wondering about Stitch Fix, there it is, right there. It was the very first one they gave me, and like I said, $20 styling fee for the box to get sent out to you. You'll get, depending on what you choose in your style profile, you'll set that up online. You will get jewelry or pants or shirts, and then you'll pick what kind of look you want, casual, romantic, business, things like that, and then they're going to zero in on whatever your choices were. I took that, and this is what they zeroed on in for me. Now, aside from the dress, which honestly, if it was a different color, I probably would jump at, I like everything, and if I could, I would keep it all, because I could definitely see me wearing all of that. And the necklace, oh my gosh, that necklace is so pretty. And I just bought a pair of earrings that would make it look amazing. But there you have it. So you've got all of this stuff that comes with inside the box. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey everyone, so now that I have tried on all of those clothes from Stitch Fix, I took pictures so I can add them into this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. They are amazing. The jeans are so soft. They were a little tight for me, but oh my god, if they would have fit, they would have been my new favorite pair of jeans. They were soft and stretchy for those bloated days. The cut was great. They were so comfortable. It was unreal. That dress fit me beautifully, and it was soft and comfortable and breathable. I could have slept in that because it was so comfy. The pink and white shirt, again, so soft. That's probably the one thing you're going to hear me say the most, is that these clothes are soft and comfortable, and they are incredible. They are on the high price side for me, but Stitch Fix is currently trying to add prices under the $50 a piece. The necklace was only like $34, but it would have gone with almost anything you put together. And the flowered pink peasant top looking thing, that probably right there would have been the one article along with the necklace, if I could have, I would have kept, because it was freaking gorgeous. Just beautiful. The colors were vibrant and they just popped. And I'm not much into floral print, but that was awesome. It was just awesome. The shirt flowed and it fit me perfectly and just fantastic. And I just have nothing bad to say about anything in my Stitch Fix. If you want to try it out yourself, it does cost $20 a month for the styling fee, but that $20 goes towards your purchase. So you can just get it adding up, and then all of a sudden, boom, you just pick out whatever you want and it's already paid for, and you don't have to pay for anything out of pocket. It's like a savings technique. A piggy bank through Stitch Fix at $20 a time. Also, if you click the link down below, you will get a $25 credit towards anything that you choose. It's an amazing idea. The products get delivered to you quite quickly. You get 5 things. You can get them once or twice a month. or however you choose. Your stylist is totally there to help you with everything you want. You just rate what you have, throw down some information on your ideas and whatnot, and then your next fix is going to be geared even more towards you. So the more often you do this, the quicker you're going to end up having clothes that you would actually choose for yourself. And as a mother, this program is amazing. I don't ever have the time to go shopping for myself. And as a bigger girl, I have a really hard time finding anything that fits me right and that's flattering, that I actually like. It's one of the hardest things to do ever. So this is amazing. If you have the chance to try it out, I definitely recommend it. You won't be disappointed. Just click the link below, get your free $25, and sign up for your first stitch. It will be there in like a week or so, depending on when you want to receive it. And I just don't think you're going to be disappointed with it at all. So comment below when you receive your first fix. I would love to know what you thought.